What's up, everybody? It's Waterfall. I'm outside here because I got a drink and 2 foods to try. I didn't feel like splitting these things into their own separate video, you know what I'm saying? So I'm going to put them all into one video, and this video is probably going to be like various foods versus Waterfall or something. Anyway, we got Dragon Fruit Fanta, which is a new flavor. We got these 3D Doritos, nacho cheese, because Cool Ranch is disgusting. And crunchy cookie M&Ms. Now we are gonna start with the one that I've wanted to try for a while now, but haven't until now, the 3D Doritos. So let's get to it, I guess. All right. I know you can barely see me, I'm well aware, but it's hard to film when you're on the trampoline. Woo! Here you go, this is what they look like. They're a lot smaller than, they're way smaller than they are on the package, but those are good. Actually, those are pretty good. Those don't look very 3D. You know what they taste like? They taste like those chili cheese Fritos, honestly. These are good. 8 out of 10, hands down. Next. Am I a fan of dragon fruit? It was okay. Ooh, it smells good. It's actually not too bad. It's actually good. My only problem with it tastes almost identical to the strawberry one. Virtually no difference between this one and the strawberry one. I mean, there's like a slight, littlest eensy-weensy bit of difference. Oh, this is 0 sugar. Oh, good. I need another Dorito. Handful of them. Oh, right. Well, for this, 2 ratings. Because just in general flavor, definitely an 8 out of 10. But the fact that it tastes like strawberry Fanta, practically identical, drops it down to like a 6.5 out of 10. And last, but hopefully not least, we got these chocolate crunchy, what are they? Crunchy cookie M&Ms, because all M&Ms are chocolate. I think. I don't know, let me know, have you guys ever had M&Ms that didn't have chocolate in them? Let me know. I'm curious. Ooh. Ooh, they smell really good. Let's taste them. Yeah. They are crunchy. They do. They taste like a... These are actually really good. Oh yeah. Very windy out. The wind is probably completely blocking my voice. And I didn't even think about it until just now. I apologize if you could not understand a word I was saying in this video. 9.8 out of 10. Super good. is an M&M Dorito. That's right, I'm gonna try it. It's actually pretty good. That's weird. That's weird. Well, anyway, I'm gonna let you guys off so I can finish my soda and burp my face off.